the incredible shoplifting, crisp-munching seagull from Aberdeen, Stephen Duff.
Let's do this.
Gadget!
Time to confront.
Excuse me. Fuck! Do you have anything to say?
It's just a prank, bro. Black Dove stole it.
What you say?
I'm innocent.
I'll kill you, you little...
You're now being exposed for your life of crime.
Human, you have seen too much.
Do you have anything to say?
I'll be back.
Well, that takes the biscuit or the crisps at least.
2 hours later.
This has gone too far. The humans know too much. It's time to unite the tribes. It's time to sound the horn.
Smoke weed every day.
Thank you. Coming up, more problems for a troubled
Earthquake.
winter. Yep,
We're
we've
having
got
an earthquake.
Нате, сука, на, говорю ты, блядь, не лезь! Сколько лезь, араб, горячая! Обождёшься, говорю ты, блядь!
But there is one last hope for humanity, a hero with an immense power. The power of the one-shot macro, the conqueror of all evil. But unfortunately, our hero has encountered difficulty.
Guys, I have some really bad news. I was banned from
Club Penguin.
last night.
We don't want to lag out, so we'll go to work.
You crashed the server.
Server's down.
Wow. I got banned, dude.
Got him!
And it's how to do the one-shot macro as a rogue. I'm gonna show you guys the new one-shot macro for WOD. One-shot macro for WOD Warlords of Draenor.
Man, I'm missing a pinky, dude. I can't...
Excellent. The tribes are gathering. Our power grows stronger. We are ready to fight. We are ready to conquer. We are ready to rule. This is the beginning of a new dawn. To battle.